Hello, my little friends. My name is Bree, and I love reading books. I'm so excited you're here today. If you like my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Now, it's time to read some books. Come on, it'll be so much fun. Bubble Guppies, the best doghouse ever. We love Bubble Puppy. He is a great pet. Bubble Puppy needs a doghouse. We ask our friends for help. The crab draws a plan. It is a doghouse. We get wood and nails. We get paint and tools too. We put on our hard hats. The hats keep us safe. It's time to start. We check the house plan. Zip, zip, zip. A crab saws wood. Bang, bang, bang. We hammer the nails. Twist, twist, twist. A crab turns the screw. Crank, crank, crank. A crab turns a wrench. The house is done. We show Bubble Puppy. Bubble Puppy toots the horn. He loves his new doghouse. All right, we built the best doghouse ever. The end. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click the like and subscribe button for more videos.